These are 6 symptoms of surrender. Anyachcha shrinu viprendra sharanagati lakshanam anukulyasya sankalpa pratikulya vivarjanam rakshishyatiti vishvaso guptritve varanam tata atmanikshepa karpanye shadvida sharanagati. Please hear some other symptoms of surrender. The 6 divisions of surrender are, first, anukulyasya sankalpa, to accept things which are favorable for devotional service to Krishna. Pratikulyasya vivarjanam, rejection of unfavorable things, the conviction that Krishna will give protection, the acceptance of the Lord as one's guardian or master, full self-surrender and humility. Rakshish yatiti vishvaso. Rakshish yatiti vishvaso. Vishwas, to have complete faith and conviction and belief that my Raksha, that Krishna is my Raki, that Bhagavan is my protector. Rake Krishna Mareke, Mare Krishna Rakike. If Krishna wants to kill me, no one can protect me. If Krishna wants to protect me, no one can kill me. Konteya pratijanihi name bhakta panashiti. Krishna tells in Gita that my devotee never perishes. The acceptance of the Lord as one's guardian or master, goptitre varanam tata. He's my gopta. He's my maintainer. God maintains me. He maintains everyone. Full self-surrender, atmanikshepa, and karpanye. Karpanye means humility. So these are some thoughts about surrender. And of course, the highest form of surrender, Shreshtam Sharanam, is to place our everything at the feet of the Lord. That's the ultimate surrender. The conviction, the belief, unshakable faith that one shall place at Lord Krishna's lotus feet one's very self, one's body, his Atma, his body, mind, everything one possesses. This is called the highest stage of surrender to Lord Krishna. This is very nice teachings by Lord Shiva.